Yo, what up, y'all? This is Vinnie from Naughty by Nature, chilling with my homeboy MJ the Unique. Yo, stay tuned, man. We're gonna be putting some big things together. He's a host, he's an MC. I'm a host, I'm an MC. Y'all better watch out, cause we're coming, baby.
Okay, the decision is made. The decision is made. Are y'all ready, dancers? I'm going to keep all you guys. You're going to be in the Naughty by Nature show tonight. Now, DJ, kick it.
My thoughts are delivering some suspicious switches from yelling to mumbling. You ain't a pal of me, my family ties, but now with Mallory. My analogy ain't for salary as I roll reality through galaxies. For centuries, this is to me with the sin of weed, with a chain representing penitentiaries. From Roman town to Boy Town, from North to Illtown, and all you know from life is like a supposed to rush it. Dropping too fast, I was flying too low. You think I'm rocking too quick? I think you listen too slow. I'm a rough and constructing a bump and assumption. You diss while your family's in the best things is humping. Trucking by an obstruction of turning something to nothing from more things to more things is the ripping every function. Funking it up, pumping it up, jumping the ducks, whipping the hump, and jumping the trunk, pumping me up. Jersey homies are the craziest. New York homies are the craziest. DC homies are the craziest. Philly homies are the craziest. California homies are the craziest. Chi-town homies are the craziest. Texas homies are the craziest. Utah homies are the craziest.
Be laced with 40 ounces of funk and stuff. You get rushed, you get bumped. You call yourself calling my bluff. Enough's enough. I'm putting it down on the real, and this one goes out to all the people who be questioning my skill. Cause I've been rocking since League 12, and we feel that we build careers and still. So all the rest come up and test, but only stress is what you find thinking. Vinnie don't fight, and Vinnie can rhyme shrinking. The sleeping MC, I eat like a